Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join copper wire. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as wire strippers, pliers, and the appropriate connectors for your project. Always begin by turning off the power to the circuit you are working on to prevent electrical shock. We will cover both solderless and soldered techniques to help you achieve a strong, reliable connection. For solderless connections, twist-on wire connectors are excellent for quickly joining two or more wires. Simply strip about 3/4 of an inch of insulation from each wire, twist them together, and then screw on the connector. Crimp connectors, used with a crimping tool, create a very secure mechanical and electrical bond, often preferred for automotive or marine applications. Soldering creates a permanent, highly conductive joint. Begin by stripping about 1/2 inch of insulation and thoroughly cleaning the wire ends. Heat both wires simultaneously with your soldering iron, then apply rosin core solder to the heated wires, not the iron itself. The solder should flow smoothly and create a bright, shiny connection, indicating a good bond. After making any connection, always test it with a multimeter to ensure continuity and proper function before restoring power. Using the correct wire gauge for your electrical load is crucial to prevent overheating and potential hazards. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Your safety and the reliability of your electrical system depend on careful work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.